Packaging may vary. 1 fluid ounce tube of Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Face Serum. In a clinical trial, 100% of women experienced noticeable results in just 1 week of use. Lightweight, silky retinol serum to help smooth the look of fine lines and texture, brighten an even skin tone, and fades the look of deep, stubborn wrinkles, including crow's feet. With retinol, a dermatologist-proven form of vitamin A and powerful ingredient that fights fine lines, dullness, wrinkles and dark spots. Also contains hyaluronic acid, which adds plumping moisture to help hydrate and rejuvenate the look of skin. Plus the serum is free of mineral oil and dyes. The perfect addition to a daily at-home anti-age skincare routine, this anti-wrinkle retinol serum is proven to work quickly with visible results in just 1 week and is the #1 retinol brand used most by dermatologists. Accelerated retinol assay. Smooths fine lines and texture. Fades the look of stubborn wrinkles. Top reviews from the United States. Shocked. I have tried tons of eye wrinkle creams, some with retinol. I've tried many brands, even from higher-end ones like Shiseido and Elizabeth Arden. None changed anything for me. This one was different. In the 4 nights I've used this I can see a major difference. Under my eyes the small wrinkles are almost completely gone. And I put some on either side of my mouth and my laugh lines are most gone. I am in shock. I never thought this would work. It does sting a bit for a few minutes after the first couple of applications, but nothing I can't handle. I am too surprised. I will continue using this because it makes me look so much younger.